Well, friends, this is already day 17 of my challenge where I'm trying to turn $100 into $100,000 using only elite signals. At this point, the balance should already be around $510. So today the goal is once again to complete the daily target. And the interesting thing is that the trading process itself hasn't really changed at all. Still the same few trades per day, discipline, money management, and moving forward one step at a time. So let's get straight into the trading and see what the market has for us today.
Today is another day of my trading marathon.
My goal is to turn $100 into more than $100,000 in just 73 days.
And the most interesting part is, I'm not planning to take huge risks or try to flip the account in one day.
My goal is to consistently grow the balance by around 10% per day. That's the power of compound interest. Even small daily growth can turn into a huge result over time.
Every single day, I'll show all my trades, my current balance, and the entire journey with no cuts and nothing hidden. Let's see if discipline, risk management, and signals from the Elite Signals trading bot can really turn this deposit into a six-figure balance.
Let's begin.
All right, let's get into the trading. As usual, I'm choosing an asset on the platform and then selecting the same asset inside Elite Signals. Today, I'll mostly be using 15-second expiration signals. First, because the trading moves much faster. And second, because the video doesn't turn into a 30-minute movie. Although, like I've said before, you can use pretty much any expiration time you want. Let's request a signal and see what the bot gives us. One thing I really like is that you don't just get a direction for the trade. You can also open the analysis and see why the signal appeared in the first place, especially if you're still learning how the market works. You know what I've noticed during these 17 days? Most people are always looking for some secret indicator or magic strategy. But in reality, trading is usually much simpler than that. What matters more is sticking to one system and not constantly jumping from one method to another. That's exactly why I like Elite Signals. You get a signal, open the analysis, check the support and resistance levels, understand the idea behind the entry, then open the trade. That's it. And after a while, you start noticing that you understand the chart much better yourself. Not because you spent hundreds of hours studying theory, but because every day you're seeing real examples right in front of you. So friends, the balance is now already at $514, which means today's goal has been completed successfully. And what's especially nice is that today we finished without a single losing trade. 5 signals, 5 winning trades. Of course, days like this don't happen all the time, and you've already seen that in the previous episodes. But today the market worked out exactly the way we wanted. Step by step, we continue moving toward the main goal, turning $100 into $100,000 using only elite signals. Honestly, I'm starting to get really curious myself to see where this balance will be in another 10, 20, or 30 trading days. So far, everything is going according to plan, which means the experiment continues. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep following this challenge. There are still plenty of trading days ahead, and no matter what happens, whether the result is good or bad, I'll continue showing everything exactly as it is.